Hi, I'm Jennifer from Me Time. Today I'm going to go over a tutorial of how to make this cute teacup from the Feeling Festive Bella Box. I love this design. There's so many fun things that you can do with it. Add cute little gifts to it and give it away at Christmas time. Or you can make the bonus design and make it at Valentine's and put fun little gifts at Valentine's for friends, for children in your life, and add lip gloss, add cute little candies to it and give it away for those that you love. If you're new to Me Time, we deliver machine embroidery experiences right to your doorstep. You can learn more about our 4 subscriptions at metimedelivered.com. In this video, I'm going to go through each part of the instructions. First, stitching the handle, then stitching the design, and then finishing the design. We've already stitched out the handle for part 1. This is really simple to make, so I'm not going to go through every step. But I did want to point out on step 13, you will want to make sure to match your bobbin thread to the top thread so it looks nice on both sides. Also switch it back when you're all done so that you're ready for part 2. Okay, I'm ready for part 2, stitching the teacup design. I've already completed steps 1 through 7. My batting is all trimmed and I have my zipper placement lines attached. Now I'm ready to work on adding this cute zipper. Don't you love it? This is part 2, step 8 in your instruction book. First, center the zipper right side up inside the zipper placement area and be sure that the zipper pull and the stop are outside the stitched area like this. Tape the zipper in place with the tape over the teeth. This is going to help guide the foot over the zipper teeth. You may also need to raise the presser foot to stitch over the zipper. To keep that zipper in place, stitch the zipper tack down line. Now I'm on step 11 in the instructions. After removing this tape, turn the hoop to the back and then carefully cut away this stabilizer from inside the zipper tack down lines to expose the back of the zipper. If you're new to In the Hoop projects, turning the hoop to the back might be different from what you're used to, but this will allow you to add a zipper right inside your hoop. You'll keep your hoop turned to the back for the next step. All right, now that the zipper's in place, I'm moving on to step 12. This is where we start adding our fabrics. Start with the above zipper lining fabric. Place it right side down, aligned with the left edge of the zipper. The excess fabric should be to the right. Tape the top, the bottom, and the right edges. Turn the hoop to the front and then place the above zipper fabric right side down, aligned with the right edge of the zipper tape, with the excess fabric to the left. Tape the bottom and the right edges in place like this. Stitch the above zipper seam. This will keep all the above zipper fabrics in place. Next, we're going to stitch the upper back tack down line. Remove the tape from the back fabric and then lift the back fabric and open up the zipper about 3/4 of the way. And make sure that the zipper pull is still inside the project, not outside the stitch line. We're going to replace the back fabric and then smooth it into place. And then tape it. Stitch the lower back tack down line. For instructions, step 49, after you remove the tape, turn the hoop to the back and then place the lining fabric right side down, covering the whole project. And then tape the corners in place. Machine step 23 is stitching the final outline. This is going to leave an opening so that we can turn the project. You may need to raise the presser foot to stitch over the zipper teeth. We're ready for part 3, finishing the project. I'm taking the tape off and then I'm going to remove the project from the hoop. One really important thing here is not to trim the top of the zipper tape. It's really nice and it has a finished edge. And if you cut it, it's going to start to fray. So don't cut that part. I'm trimming about 1/4 of an inch all the way around the project. Clip the corners to reduce the bulk. We like to cut all the way across here and then trim at a slight angle about 1 inch from each side. This is where we turn your project inside out. We're smoothing everything out, especially this curved seam. Fold the raw edge of the lining opening and then sew the opening closed. Now you can turn your project right side out through this opening and the zipper. And we're gonna press it. Here I'm gonna tie a leather tagle. You don't have to, but I love it. I think it adds such a great touch. Thank you so much for joining me today. Go like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our other videos. We have 2 tip videos, one on the tiling scene and one on the polar bear rice warmer. Now go enjoy some well-deserved me time.